In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the multi-sites platform to build a website for your window tinting service. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video on YouTube today and you aren't familiar with the multi-site service yet, multi-sites is the easiest way to launch a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market at the top. Multi-Sites has hundreds of different markets for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, window tinting service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Multi-Sites a few basic details about our window tinting service so it can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the multi-site platform. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change our type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for me. Awesome. So there you have it. It literally generated a simple website for my window tinting service. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of multi sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of your window tinting service in action, and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire professionals to help you with this project either. So today I'm going to be walking you through each process, each section from the top to the bottom, so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how easy it is to use the platform and how simple it is to make some changes. So let's get cracking. I'm going to head to the top very quickly, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address, and I want to make sure this box is checked so my email address is displayed in my on my Marty Sites website at the top right hand corner. There you can see it is now visible. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number that will be displayed next to that email address, and it is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location if I have one, that is. If your services are mobile, you can leave that section off. But for my window tinting service, I have got a physical location. Address is now displayed in the top left hand corner. And the great thing about it is when your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to our social links. Over here, you can pop in the various social media platforms that your window tinting service is active on. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address, so your customers can easily click on your icons, get taken to your social media accounts, give you a follow, and see what your business is up to. Over here, I'm going to head over to update logo. Now, if you're in the startup process yet of your business and you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marcy Sites will literally just display your name here, and I still think it looks really professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and upload it. Now, if you don't have a huge budget for a logo, you don't have a budget to hire a web graphic designer or anything of the sorts, you can check out canva.com. You'll find a few great options on there that are free to use. Now the logo has been updated. We're waiting for that to load. Let me go ahead and click on save. And the great thing about the logo is you can make it bigger and smaller. Let's do that so we can see the sizing. I think that's absolutely perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it and move on. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors used throughout the website for you. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your window tinting service. However, perhaps the colors don't go with your business cards, your logo, your signage throughout your business. You can change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket at the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So let's check out a few more options and just see what works best for us. That looks pretty neutral and good, but I'm going to try one or two more. Let's try this one. And that I think I would like this one best, so I'm going to go ahead and save that option. Awesome. Over here, I'm going to head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Now, multi-sites will automatically search for window tinting service, and as you can see, there's not many suitable images. So you do need to play around with the terms a little bit. So let's go ahead and search for window tints and see if anything pops up. Awesome. Let's go ahead and search for car window. As I said, you do need to play around with the terms a little bit. So here's a few great options that are suitable. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one over here. Let's go ahead and upload it and save our image selection. That actually looks really great, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Over here, you can change the title and subtitle, which is this content over here, to suit your needs. Button, maybe you don't want it to say book a service. Let's go ahead and say get in touch. Whoops. And go ahead and choose our link. Now we can link to another part of our multi-sites website. The lead form at the bottom is a great option, which I'm going to get to in just a second. You can link to another website. So perhaps you have a calendar booking website that you work with for online bookings. Otherwise, an action like click to call, directions, click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and put it as click to call as well. Another one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So over here, you could upload a PDF file with your different rates and services you offer. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to your catalog or your rates PDF file. Let's go ahead and save and let's move along. A button has now been updated. Awesome. Over here, we've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the industry, how long you've been serving the community with your window tinting services. Go ahead and put a little bit more of your story and how your business came to be. Your customers would love to read it. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. Upload one of the jobs you've completed over here in image format or choose from that photo library I've just gone through. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of your window tinting services. Do you specialize in window tinting for cars, homes, and businesses? Go ahead and pop all those details over here. Do you offer free estimates? Do people need to schedule an appointment for your services? Do you offer insurance claims? Go ahead and pop all those details over here so your customers know what they can rely on your business for and what they can come to you for. We've now made our way into that lead form, which I've just previously mentioned. Over here, your customers can put in their details, their message, click on send, and you will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our Mighty Sites website for our window tinting service. It was such a breeze to edit, make some amendments. It only took me not even 10 minutes to create this and make some changes. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about Mighty Site's free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. I know with me trying different services online, they always expect you to put your credit card details in just to even try the service. So, no, not with Mighty Sites. We just wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to trying our platform. Let's go ahead and head to the top. Now, if you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain and go ahead and say, I already have a domain, and go through the various steps to linking it. Now, if you are struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Check out our blog. There is a step-by-step guide on linking your custom domain. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of handy blog posts over here with marketing your business on social media, on Facebook, in your community. Check it out. Lots of valuable information over there. If you don't have a domain yet, really excited to let you know that you can now purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. Over in your Mighty dashboard, this is where you will find those leads from that form at the bottom of your Mighty Sites website that we've just created for our window tinting service. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.